Friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 18th to the 24th. So lots of great deals here. There's also a lot of fine print that is not explained in this ad. We're going to have to wait till Sunday to double, triple check, but I think that there might be a couple superb deals, and I'll just point them out so you can look for the digital coupons on Sunday the 18th. Now, first thing this morning, which is Monday the 16th, this booster showed up. So look at the top of your digital coupons folder. As you can see, it's valid from the 18th till the 24th. I have a very high one here, which is $15 Walgreens cash when you spend $20. So a couple rules for you guys. Again, it's valid from that date only. So even though it's there a couple days early, it's only valid during that window. It is of a one-time use. And yes, one paper and one digital stack together, which is really nice if a paper one prints out for you in the Catalina machine. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. So the next couple deals that we're looking at are in fact deals of the week. So $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. For the Tresemmé, we got this very generous 5 off of 2. So I do love that coupon. So here's the math, guys. Grabbing 3 of them for $18, subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're going to pay $13 out of pocket. Be awarded back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $8 for the 3. Or $2.66 per shampoo. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this deal on its own without a booster. Righty, the next deal that we have is $4 for the Crest Oral-B Dental Care. We're going to get a $3 off 2 digital coupon, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. So there it is. So looking at this, grabbing 3 tubes of the Crest toothpaste for $12 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital manufacturer, you're paying $9 out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $4 for the 3 or $1.33 per tube. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. You know, like a 5 back when you spend 20, or the terrible one I got, 15 back when you spend 60. The next one we're going to look at is with the Dove Women or Men's for $7 a pop. I think at some stores this is upwards of just $9.99. I saw it at Meijer, so this is a pretty good price even at $7. Now I know that I have these $2 digital coupons. As you can see, they're valid next week, so it expires on the 24th. So this is the first one. Make sure you load them today, which is September the 16th, Friday. And then this one, which is $2 off. So it says 1 body wash or body love. So, or 1 foaming. So it's a whole bunch of different ones that are included for this one. But grabbing 3 of these body washes, that's $21 on the nose. If you might be so lucky to have the 5 back when you spend 20 booster, have that loaded for this one. We're subtracting 2 $2 digital coupons, so $4 is coming off right there. With your debit card, you're going to pay $17 out of pocket. Then you're getting $10 back. 5 for the booster, and then 5 for the promotion of buy 3, get back 5. So in the final here, it makes it $7 for the 3 or $2.33 per Dove. This is Dove Body Wash, a premier line. Very, very good deal. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. This is a really, really good deal. The next one that we're looking at is BOGO 50% off on Axe Bath Care. Now in store, we're looking at the body wash only. These are very deceptive where the shampoo and the other products, they all look the same because they're all in the same bottle, but make sure it says body wash on it. As you see, we have a digital, which is $1.50 off of one of these body washes. So grabbing 2 of them, and at the store they're $4.99. I know online they're a little bit more, which is weird. Hopefully it's the same price, but 2 of them at $4.99 on a BOGO 50% off is $7.48. And then subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're paying $5.98. Fetch Rewards has 1,500 points back for each of these body washes, so you'll get back 3,000 points, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster. But to get this so uber cheap, what a great deal on Axe. The next dealio that we have is $4.99 for the Irish Springer Soft Soap Body Wash. Earn a $5 in-store reward when you buy 2. That kind of expensive, but I mean, it is what it is, right? So guys, grabbing 2 of these for $9.98. And then just use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Then you're getting back $5 Walgreens cash or reward, whatever they're handing out. It makes it $4.98 for the two or $2.49 each. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I know some accounts had $2 for you coupons on the Smart Soap. I did not have one, but if you have it, it's extra savings pour vous. Check for that digital coupon today. Now, let's look at the Tide buy 3 for $5.49, get 1 for free. So if you're buying them in that increment of 4 of them at that cost, it shakes it out to $4.11 each. You make the decision if that is a good deal or not. This is the premium line of Tide, so I think it's not the worst deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the treat of the week, which is $2.49 for these little Butterfingers Baby Ruth Crunch or 100 grand. You know, I would use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 49 cents. And that is some treats at the workplace or for your trick-or-treaters or for your kids' schools or whatever you want to use them for, or for you. We have these candy bars for $1, and then we have a 75-cent digital if you still might have it. Utilizing that one coupon, guys, you're paying 25 cents for a candy bar. And I'll tell you something, you throw one of those Snicker bars when it's not like 100 degrees in your glove compartment and you have somebody who's not in the greatest mood, you give them one of those, it can change your road trip. Okay, so let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one is this one, $7, and then it says $6 reward off. I guess you have to buy an increment of so many. I can't read the fine print. Will Olay or Old Spice give us a very high value coupon? If yes, this might be a really superb deal on body wash. So we'll have to wait and see what the fine print is on Sunday morning. $10 card when you buy 2 of these gift cards, IHOP, Gap, Xbox, Instacart. It's typically 2 $25 gift cards, and then you get that $10 Walgreens gift card for free. I love it when Domino's is included. It's not. But still, I mean, if you like IHOP or the Gap, it's still a way to make a deal happen if you're still buying back to school clothing or if you need a little something or a gift. You know, this is not the worst little dealio. Also, the BOGO free on the All or Snuggle laundry care. Typically, that's like $7.99. So it'd be like $3.99 per. Personally, I would go with Tide at $4.11. I think that's a better deal because, you know, Tide, it's so great. You choose. Okay, now we have $2.99 for the Colgate Max Fresh. It says $2 cash reward when you probably buy 2. What kind of digital coupons will we be getting for both the Colgate and Soft Soap because it's the same manufacturer? And for whatever reason, Palmolive is very, very generous, Colgate Palmolive. So we'll see what they provide for us on Sunday morning. $2.79 for the Post Quaker Premium Protein Cereal. I think this is an excellent price for this cereal. Double, triple check IBOTTA if there might be a rebate or something like that. Typically, these cereals, I think, are like $3.99, so this is not the worst little deal. And if you are on the keto, carnivore, or you just love bacon, 2 for $10, this is a fabulous price, especially for Oscar Mayer. I think it's like just under $6 at Walmart. So this is a really good deal. What a weird place to buy your bacon, but why not? And the last deal we're looking at is 2 for $2 for the aluminum foil. If you're a home chef and you like to use a lot of aluminum foil, this is a really good price point. Definitely one to stock up. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash, laugh all the way to the bank and back. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.